Hello and welcome back to Grillman's Garage. We're outside today. It's a beautiful day. What have we been up to? Well, we're comparing the Fimi Mini 3 with the Potensic Atom 3X gimbal. We took them up yesterday. It was minus 8 degrees Celsius. Beautiful flights on both of them, but let's look at the video that was produced, okay? And we'll see you at the end. I'm going to put it in the chapters below. Go back and forth. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Might make a big difference. Let's have a look. And welcome back, Gorilla Man's Garage. We're outside today in this morning of winter wonderland in southern Ontario, Canada. It's a bit of a bluish sky coming now. We haven't had blue sky for a while. The temperature now is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Got my winter coat on. I'm ready for it. Should be able to be good for maybe 10 minutes. Then I'll just freeze to death. I finally got the truck all cleaned off. This is the Fimi Mini 3. Now, I have said that anything below 10 degrees Celsius, we're going to have a fuzzy camera. So let's just see what happens in this. We've just come from inside. We're outside. It's been on the pad for as long as I've been talking. Let's see what happens after about 3 minutes. Okay, let's get it up. Here we go. There it goes. And let's start that video right off the bat. Okay. Well, I forgot to start the recording again. So, let's go up and have a look again. Here we go. Doesn't look that clear to me. Okay. Okay, let's go over to the other side. Let's go up a little higher. We'll go up to that 35, 40 meter mark. Turn around. Does that look like? Pretty ominous. And we'll go out. There we go. So I didn't get this on film last time, so I wanted to get the film going. Video. Look at the dark clouds over there, eh? We're at 6 meters per second. That's about as fast as I want to go when I'm going out there. Up at 45. Let's go up to 55. And if we look down, here we go. Get some light there coming through the clouds. It's looking pretty good. Okay. The H is on the bottom. Here we go. Doesn't have the greatest range, especially in the wintertime. Let's come around now, back home. And come home. And we can go down a bit and have a look at all that stuff there. A little dark, but we're doing good. Coming back at 12. I don't want to come back at 12. There we go. Okay, it's coming back at 5. That's what I want to come back at. Yeah, it's pretty hard. I'd say the worst thing on this is that the tilt in the cold is the worst part. So maybe I'll have to do a gimbal correction. Here it comes. Here it comes. And right above us. Flies really good. And down. Yep, see, the cold really affects that. Look at that, it really affects. The cold really does affect the gimbal, for sure. Down she comes. Okay. Here we come. Here we come. So how's that house across the street there? Is it even in focus as we stop? Well, let's come down and turn around and have a look at me here. There we go. And come back. And there we go. Okay, the film's still going, still taking the video. The Fimi Mini 3. How is it doing? It's been out for a while. I have no warnings about cold batteries. We're doing a great job. It does fly good. It does take good videos and stuff. However, how does the cold affect it? And welcome to Girlman's Garage. We're here outside. It's minus 8 degrees Celsius. We have the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal model. And we're checking this against the Fimi 3. We just had the Fimi 3. You might have seen that in the last video. And we have the same day, December the 2nd, I guess it is, about 11:30 in the morning. And we're going to see how this looks. You have to be sure to check on the EV value. You might want to go up a little bit with this guy. Well, we'll try that and see what happens. Anyway, okay, let's get this up. Here we go. Okay.
Home point refreshed.
I don't have much of a blue sky, but as you can see here, we did clean off the truck as best we could. Let's start that video now. There we go, and to the right. There we go. Okay. This is a 1/3 camera. Remember that, 1/3. So it's the smallest sensor of the bunch. Okay, and let's go up. There we go. Forward. Oh, some blue sky over there. How does that look? It's pretty awesome, really. Eh? How high up are we? 25. It's pretty good. Let's look at this down here. Okay, look at that house there. Okay, can we zoom in? Look at that, eh? Any more? Look at that. There we go. Come down a bit. Here we go. Oh, there's the house at 3. There's the house at 1. There's the house at 2. There's the house at 3. Let's go back out again. There we go. Look at that, eh? And we'll come up a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's go forward. Now again, as I said, this is a 1/3 camera. So we're not expecting miracles, but when we look at that horizon, compare that to a Fimi Mini 3, and this is miles ahead of that. Miles ahead. Let's go up. Let's go up a little bit more. We've got to go up to about 45 or 50 on this guy. Here we go. 42. Getting there. Yeah, about 50-ish about now. Yeah, there we go. Let's head out there and see where we go. Look at that horizon. Dead flat. I must say, of all the hoopla I've had against Potensic for the LT model, this 3-axis gimbal with the 1/3 camera, I don't know how Potensic does it, but the 1/3 camera is amazing. If they were to ever put a 1/2-inch camera or a 1/1.3 camera on their drone, with the technology that they're using on this, it would be phenomenal. Phenomenal. I don't know why all the other companies can't do what they do, but it is really and truly really good for what they have to work with. Now then, they have bumped the price up, so it is a $299 base model, which is higher than, it's even higher than the DJI Mini 3. Well, we lost it because I wasn't paying attention. Okay, there we go. I had to move around a bit. You have to be careful with this one. You have to make sure you're aiming it at the right spot. But even so, you get really good mileage out of this. This is just like what we got with the Fimi Mini 3 and probably even better. So let's turn around and come back and see how this compares to the Mini 3 video. You can go back and forth and have a look, but there we go. And the attitude ball here actually does work. So kudos to Potensic. Okay. In the summertime, the Fimi, or above 10 degrees Celsius, the Fimi Mini 3, unbeatable. I mean, unbeatable. I mean, the video is absolutely stunning. And same as the Mini 3 SE, absolutely stunning. But get in the cold weather, you got a tilted horizon all over the place. You have a fuzzy background. It's just not good. So here it comes. We're coming back. I hear it coming. There it is. Look at this, eh? Awesome. And it's a very quiet drone. Very quiet. There it is. There it is. And we're gonna and come down. Boom. Somebody's going to shovel the driveway over there across the street. There we go. I do believe somebody's in the driveway trying to get the shovel out there. Yeah, this will be good here. Okay, if we do one in, 1 and 2. 1, 2. There we go. Now is that all fuzzy up? Don't know. Let's come back. Turn around. Oh, we can come down a bit. Oh, we lost some snow from a tree. There we go. Look at that, eh? It'll come up. How high can we look up? We can even look higher up than we can with the Fimi. There we go. Coming down again. Remember, objects appear closer than they really are in real life. Yes, they do. Okay, turn around and come back to me here. I think we're in video mode anyway, so that's a good thing. And we're coming back. Here we go. Okay, this could be one of my better cold weather drones, apart from the DJI Mini 3. So there you go. Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal. You saw it. I'm going to go inside and have a look. I put a little note somewhere about it, how it compares to the other one. Really, if it is as good as I think it is, Fimi, you have a real problem in the wintertime. I see you made it to the end. Yeah, that was the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal and the Fimi Mini 3. I'm disappointed with the Fimi, and I'm really surprised with the Potensic. The Fimi, as soon as that temperature goes down, it gets a little blurry, out of focus, as you noticed, okay? The flying is still good. The range isn't bad. It's just a little blurry. The Potensic, hot weather, cold weather, you get the same results. And I will also see about the Fimi and the Potensic. Did you see that horizon tilt on the Fimi? Absolutely unmistakable. It's just not acceptable in this day and age. Fimi, you have got to fix your drones, okay, for the cold weather. Potensic, I can hardly wait to see what you come out with next, okay? That was it. Hope you enjoyed it, the comparison between the two. They cost about the same amount of money. And one other thing, see this little thing here? I don't know if you can see it if I come up a little bit. There you go. It's the DJI Mic Mini. We've had it for a couple of days. We're testing it out. We bought it, okay, and it's $114 US dollars to get it into Canada from the DJI store. If I bought it on Amazon or Best Buy, I'd save maybe $10 Canadian. That's about it, okay? The one caveat I have to say about it, it's got a really good magnet. More of that to come later, okay? Till then, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me hot chocolate, and I'm beginning to get a little cold, okay? See you in the next one.